In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get candle close timer on TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show a small clock on your chart that tells you how much time is left before the current candle closes. This is especially useful if you trade on specific time frames and want to time entries or exits with precision. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. You can do this on the free version and you don't need any special setup to follow along. Once the page loads, look to the right side of the screen for the watch list panel. From there, select any symbol you want to analyze. If you don't see the symbol you need, use the search bar at the top to find it. Selecting a symbol will load a quick chart preview. Next, switch to the full chart so you have access to all settings. You'll usually see a full chart button near the preview area. Click that and TradingView will open the complete charting interface with all the menus and options we need. Now move your mouse to the scale area. This is the vertical price scale on the right edge of the chart where you see numbers for price levels. Hover your cursor directly over that scale. With your cursor there, right-click to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to chart preferences without digging through multiple toolbars. From that menu, choose More Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window, which controls how your chart looks and behaves. In the Settings window, find the section labeled Scales, or it may appear as Scales and Lines depending on the version you're using. Click into that section, look for the option called Countdown to Bar Close. This setting toggles the timer that displays how much time remains until the current bar or candle completes. Turn that option on. When enabled, the timer typically appears near the bottom of the price scale. It will count down in real time and automatically adjust to whatever time frame your chart is set to, whether that's 1 minute, 5 minutes, or daily candles. Once you've turned it on, click OK to apply and close the settings window. You should now see the countdown timer on your chart. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure the right side price scale is visible and that nothing is covering it. Also remember, the timer reflects the time frame you're viewing, so if you switch intervals, the countdown will update accordingly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the candle close timer on TradingView, giving you a clear real-time cue for when the current candle is about to finish.